In this video, we want to prove that if a and b are irrational numbers, then a plus b or a minus b must be irrational. We're going to prove this by assuming the opposite. So we're going to assume that a plus b and a minus b are rational numbers. That means that there exist integers p1, q1, p2, q2, with q1 and q2 not equal to 0, such that a plus b is p1 over q1 and a minus b is p2 over q2. So if we add a plus b with a minus b, the b's are going to cancel, and we're going to have 2a equals p1 over q1 plus p2 over q2. We can get a common denominator of q1 and q2, add this up, and get p1 times q2 plus p2 times q1 all over q1 times q2. So to solve for a, we can divide both sides by 2 to get p1 q2 plus p2 q1 all over 2 times q1 and q2. Recall that this is just a fraction of rational numbers, of integers. So you have an integer on the top, an integer on the bottom. That means that a is a rational number, which contradicts the assumption that a is irrational. And similarly, we can subtract a plus b and a minus b to get 2b is equal to p1 over q1 minus p2 over q2, which is p1 q2 minus p2 q1 over q1 q2. We divide by 2, and we get this expression, which is, again, a fraction of integers. Integer on the top, integer on the bottom. So when you have that, you have another rational number, which contradicts the assumption that b is irrational. So therefore, our assumption that both a plus b and a minus b are rational must be false. Hence, either a plus b or a minus b is irrational. And so that completes the proof.